Welcome to LinknTrack. With LinknTrack, you can write and store private notes that only you can see, making it easier to remember important details about your connections. To get started, head over to Chrome Web Store and search for LinknTrack. Once you find the extension, click Add to Chrome to install it. As soon as the extension is installed, if you're not logged into our service, a new tab will automatically open for you to create an account. This is required to securely save your notes and access them on any device. Once you are logged in, open any LinkedIn profile and start typing your notes for that profile and save your thoughts. As soon as you type or update your note, you will notice the updated date will change. This indicates that your note has been securely saved. Keep everything organized by adding multiple notes and categorizing them with predefined, color-coded titles or a custom title of your choice. You can set reminders for your notes and receive an email with the note when the time comes. Never miss a follow-up or important update again. Customize your note display by switching the placement of your note between the embedded view and the side panel view, giving you the flexibility to choose what works best for you. The side view ensures your notes stay beside you as you continue scrolling, and you can add notes here as usual. Also, if you're using the side view, you can expand or collapse it and drag it to position it wherever you prefer. You can add notes directly from the feed too. No need to visit the profile each time. And that's all for now. Stay tuned for more features to come. Don't forget to try it and share your feedback. Thanks for watching.